All right, so here we are again. It's a beautiful day. This is a 2002 Kia Sedona EX. This is John, and last month I did the timing belt. Well, actually, New Year's Day. Timing belt works good, but I've been chasing a noise, and it's coming from that direction where the timing belt area and the serpentine belt and the power steering belt is. And I'm thinking that I possibly have a bad pulley. The noise doesn't happen all the time. It happens when it's cold, like at night when it's maybe 50 degrees here. Now this is a cold start. See if I can even hear it, and we'll go look at it. See, I don't hear it now. We're having a heat wave here, and it's about oh God, 85, 90 degrees in January. Sunny skies. It's California. So anyways, let's go just see how it looks. I'm thinking it's a pulley. Not sure which. Could be the alternator. I read that the alternator pulley, it's on a bracket that can be removed. Anyways, let's go look at it. You can hear the noise a little bit. Now you hear the noise, especially like if you put it in drive and the RPMs go down at night when it's cold. It's pretty nasty. Once it warms up, it goes away. If I had my son here, I could have him put it in drive while I listen, but I'm gonna try squirting some water on it. Yeah. No difference. A little bit of a difference. This fan's always had this noise. I thought it was something coming from the air intake, but there's so much going on this side. Timing belt, dual overhead cam. Now all the pulleys, the whole thing was replaced. I replaced all the pulleys on that, so can't be that. I was thinking maybe power steering pump. Power steering works. It does get if it's really cold out, like 40 degrees at night, until it gets warmed up. The power steering's a little stiff to turn out of the driveway here. Once I get down the street, then it starts working fine. So I don't know. I'm just gonna keep trying to figure out. I'm gonna take the wheel off and inspect everything. I hate throwing money at this thing. It's really quiet now. Now it's warmed up. It's real quiet. Okay, let's see if we can hear it. Going up the driveway a little bit. Yeah, you can hear a little bit. I mean, it doesn't affect the performance or anything. The belt doesn't squeak. The Serpentine belt was changed a year ago. Did not change a power steering belt because it looked like it had been replaced by previous owner. So at this point, all I can do is take the wheel off, and just inspect everything. I mean, the belts are all tight. I put everything back together right. So saga continues. Okay, next day it's about 55 degrees out. Listen to this. Just started it up. Put it in drive. Put it in reverse. So when the RPM goes down, that noise, huh? Really, I'm thinking maybe power steering, something is, I don't know. The belts are good and tight. I did the when I installed them, deflection about a ½ inch. I think that the belts are tight, and it's pulling on one of the pulleys that's bad, or the pump itself is bad. But so if I turn it, let's see, the noise might a little bit. Put it in reverse. Hear the noise. Turn the wheel. No difference. You would think if the pump is bad, it would really be a difference. Anyways. I also wanted to add that same noise has been present with this van for probably the last 5 years. Not quite as loud as it is now, but it was present, especially when it gets really cold over the years, like at night when it's 39 degrees. It's like real, you can really hear it until it warms up. Now, I did the timing belt this month, early this month, in December, January. So it's nothing that I've done wrong installing the timing belt and a water pump. So the water pump's been replaced too. So it's either one of the idler pulleys for the Serpentine belt, or a tensioner pulley, or a tensioner pulley for the power steering pump, or the bearing in this power steering.